Hi everybody, we're going to go through real quick and look at playlist 3. So I went to Google Classroom and then I went to classwork. I found playlist 3 underneath the Outsiders playlist 3. I clicked on it and this is what came up. So first off this week, our learning goals are this. One, I can analyze how characters develop throughout a story. So we're going to continue to focus on the characters of the Outsiders and how they're developing and what we're continuing to find out about each character. The second thing, and I think this is so important because now that I'm grading your comprehension questions and your dialectical journals, you need to write incomplete sentences. So when you are writing those out, this is what I'm talking about. So I will show mastery of English grammar and conventions. That basically means that you can write incomplete sentences. The beginning of the sentence is capitalized, the ending of the sentence is has a punctuation mark, like period, and then it actually makes sense. It's a complete thought. So make sure you're doing that this week. So to start with, Monday is our iReady day. It's only going to be slightly different this week because we're actually going to be doing a screening that we're going to have to go down to the Commons to do. And so when we do that, there will be some waiting around and some waiting time. So your responsibility is to get your iReady done during that time. What I mean by that is get 30 minutes or complete a lesson or pass a lesson, I should say. When you get done with that, then definitely I'm going to direct you guys to watch this video. And then if you have time and you're done with your iReady and you have time, I want you to add to your character map. So anything that you haven't put there yet, I want you to make sure to add to it. I also will point out if you do that I have included in this, at this point we'll be a little bit further along in the book, but I have included this character map that we've kind of been working on as a class. So double check this, make sure you have everything that's at least on this, if not more, because like I said, this is from probably like a chapter or two before or from where we are at. So this is like after chapter 2 and at the beginning of chapter 3. Well, if we've read further than that, then there's more information to add. So make sure you do that. Tuesday, we are going to review the questions for the week, and so you guys know what to expect, and then we're actually going to read chapter 5. Thursday, it's another direct instruction day, and we're actually going to be looking very in-depth at the character map. So we're going to be doing that, and we're also going to be talking a little bit more about theme. Wednesday and Friday are our independent work days. So what I want you guys to do is on your own read chapter 6 and then answer the dialectical journal entry and answer the questions. When you're done with that, there are may-dos for you to do this week. So go down here, find one that suits you the best. All of them are great options. So just pick one and work on it to further your knowledge on the subject of the Outsiders or the 1960s. If you guys have any questions about this, or actually before I go, the other thing that I have posted on Classroom underneath playlist 3 is the actual dialectical journal entry and comprehension questions. So you are more than welcome to go on here and to figure out what you need to be doing for this week. You don't have to wait for me to go over them with you. So if you have any questions, please let me know.